Hi, and welcome to this quick enablement video for the NetApp AltaVault Cloud Integrated Storage Appliance, the market-leading solution for protecting data to public and private cloud storage. In this session, we'll learn more about the role-based capabilities of AltaVault and how leveraging roles can help you manage access and improve security for AltaVault activities. To begin, let's do a quick review of AltaVault. AltaVault is a simple, easy-to-use cloud-integrated storage appliance which provides access to backup applications via NAS protocols including SMB, NFS, OST, and SnapMirror. Backups are written to the appliance by any of the leading backup application providers. The data is then optimized by applying a variable length inline deduplication, compression, and AES 256-bit encryption before it is saved to the local AltaVault cache and replicated to the cloud using your internet link. Since business-critical backup data will be stored on AltaVault, carefully managing access to administration and monitoring activities on AltaVault is a key task for any IT organization. To accomplish this, AltaVault provides the capability to create role-based accounts and assign roles that a user will require. For example, an IT system administrator may need full access to AltaVault, while the IT cloud administrator may only need access to the cloud settings page to configure the cloud credentials. With AltaVault, you can separate those tasks so that users are given access to only what they need. Now, when an AltaVault appliance is deployed for the first time, two system accounts are automatically created and are available for use: an admin user who has full system privileges, and a monitor user who has read-only privileges to reports. These are called capability-based accounts. To address more specific requirements of IT organizations, AltaVault provides role-based accounts and 7 account-specific roles that can be assigned: replication, storage, security, general, pre-pop, reports, and admin. Each role is different in what it will allow a user to do with AltaVault. The capability-based admin user, as well as role-based accounts with the admin role, can create users and assign roles to those users. In addition, the admin role is used to enable AltaVault management logins using Windows Active Directory credentials. Therefore, this is one of the first accounts you'll likely set up on AltaVault. Next, role-based accounts who are assigned to the general role can update AltaVault software, install licenses, configure email notifications, and other general changes to the AltaVault. Role-based accounts who are assigned to the replication role can access all of the cloud settings, replication settings, and bandwidth settings. Role-based accounts who are assigned to the storage role can access all of the storage pages, such as SMB, NFS, OST, and SnapMirror. These pages are used to configure the front-end settings to the backup application. Backup administrators, therefore, will likely want to have access to this role. Role-based accounts who are assigned to the security role can access security-based pages, such as the Radius and TAC-ACS pages, the Secure Vault, the import and export configuration wizards, and the encryption key page. The security role is one of the most important roles within the AltaVault appliance, as users with this role can control access to and from this appliance. Role-based accounts who are assigned the pre-pop role can perform pre-population operations of data from slower cloud targets, such as Amazon Glacier. Pre-population can help improve recovery time by gathering all the data sets required for non-locally cached files and making one large request for those segments simultaneously from the cloud provider. This operation is functionally similar to requesting a tape provider to send tapes from a vault location. Finally, role-based accounts who have the reports role can access all of the AltaVault reports, alarm interface statistics, and interface statistics that are available in AltaVault. Alright, now that we have a basic understanding of role-based accounts, let's have a quick look at this feature using a real AltaVault appliance. After logging in as the default admin capability-based user, we'll head over to the user permissions page where we can add a new user. For the account name, let's use backup admin. Since this user is a backup administrator, we'll want to assign the user the storage role by selecting the Read/Write radio button in this row. Perhaps we'll also want to allow this user to see the status of pre-population operations. So let's grant this user the read-only permission to the pre-pop role. We don't want this user to have access to other features, so we'll leave the Deny radio button selected for the other roles. Finally, click Add and now the user is created. Okay, let's log out our administrator and log in as the backup admin. If we head over to the SMB page, for example, we can see this user has full access to the page and can add or modify shares, add or modify users, and so on. If we then head over to the pre-population page, you can see that this user has read-only permissions to this page. So what does that mean? We can view the information on this page, like the status of past pre-population jobs, but can't perform any actions on this page, such as selecting objects and starting a new pre-population job. That's an action that should be controlled by the cloud administrator in the organization, for example, who would have to have the read and write access to this pre-population page. Lastly, if we attempt to access an unauthorized page on AltaVault, we won't have access to view the contents of the page at all because we denied the user the ability to access them. The My Account page we arrive at instead will show us what permissions were assigned, however. Then, if needed, you can ask an administrator to change permissions for you to give you access if warranted. Alright, with that, this concludes this quick demo of configuring role-based accounts with AltaVault. For more information about the different roles available, review the AltaVault Administrator's Guide. And if you liked what you see, try out AltaVault by visiting our page at www.netapp.com/AltaVault. Thanks for watching.